Hello everyone, this is Vibhor Srivastava. I am an Oracle Apex developer and I am an Oracle as apprentice. In this quick video, we are going to look at how to properly display and handle a due time field in Oracle Apex, including how to autofill it and how to let users enter it manually. Let's dive. The problem by default, if your date time item is a date picker type, so it show a calendar and clock pop-up, which is not idea if you just want a simple time value like 17:45, right? 9:33. So the first step is changing how this field is displayed. So this is my table I have already created. So now I am going to page designer. So at this time we must have a report page and a form page for letting user enter the time manually. So at this time I am creating a report page. Of report page mode should be a normal, and form page is up to your choice. Inside the form page have a multiples option like normal, model, dialog, drawer. So I am selecting a model dialog, and I want to keep the icon picker, so I am selecting a watch. Select the due time item in the right panel, go to identification type, change it from date picker to text field, save and run the page. Now the due time field shows a simple text box, no calendar, no clock pop up, just plain text like 17:45 times. It's up to our choice, right? And now I want to that letting user enter time manually, right? So so we have must have a create the dynamic actions. So I am creating a dynamic actions, but sometime you do not want autofill. So this is a code. What is the means of a where value? Will get the value entered by the user in the due time field. And what is the meaning of a pattern? This is a regex pattern to validate 24 hours time format, right? So what is the if case in the field is not empty and does not match the correct format, and apex max is so an alert to inform the user about the correct format, and apex dot item clear the invalid value from the field. So my page is page number 3, so I am writing a p3 due time. Want to add a create a validation, sometime user not enter this field, so error will be so please enter this due time is a mandatory. So now I am testing like Vibhor due time and time, it's up to our choice, and when I enter the wrong time, so error will be so please enter a valid. So due time my data type is a varchar, so this check this first, okay, this is a source column is a correct format or not. Okay, please by default data type shows the date, but in your table have a data type is a varchar 2, so please change it. So the data have been inserted in a report page. So now I am going to a backend. Data is insert is not, so right, due date is a current date and due time is a 1830. That's it. Now you know how to display due time as plain text, autofill it, or let user enter it manually with the validation. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what to cover next. Thanks for watching.